mathematics. In this question, it is only for juniors. You are going to obtain the value of x when you are given square root of x plus square root of x is equal to x. So what is the possible values or a value of x? To begin with, we make use of this law of SAD as follows. So where you have square root of x, we are going to apply this rule whereby you have root of a plus root of a. This one is constant. You can factorize the root of a so that where you have root of a, you'll be left with the 1, and where you have root of a, you'll be left with the 1. And 1 plus 1 can be added to obtain 2. So it can be rewritten as shown here. 2 can come in front of root, so we have 2 root of a. In our case here, our root is root x. Our a is like x here, so we can factorize root x so that we'll be left with the 1 plus 1 on the left hand side as follows. So factorizing, we shall be left with the 1 plus 1 because root x times 1 is root x plus root 1 times plus root x times 1 is the same as root x, which is equal to x. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and the 2 can be written in front of the root as 2 root of x, which is equal to x. From there, we are going to square on both sides. So we are going to make use of this factor when you have bracket or product of two numbers and everything is squared. To remove the bracket, you square each of the term. Like in this case, bracket a multiplied by b bracket squared, it means a squared, b squared. So doing that to our equation, on the left hand side, we shall have 2 squared multiplied by root of x, and you square everything. This is equal to x squared. 2 squared means 2 times 2, which is 4. Square root of x can be written as x power half multiplied by 2, which is equal to x squared. This is 4 multiplied by x to power of 1 because 2 will cancel with the 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. This is equal to x squared. 4x is equal to x squared. Any number power 1 is equal to 1. So we can subtract 4x on both sides, so minus 4x is equal to x squared. From there, we are going to be left with the 0 on the left hand side, so that is minus 4x to the left here, which is equal to x squared minus 4x. You can see to the right, we have x as common. Factorizing x squared divided by x is x. 4x divided by x is 4. So there are two possibilities here. This means that either x is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. We can add the 4 on both sides. Plus 4. 4 plus negative 4 is 0. So we shall be left with x is equal to 4 plus 0, which is equal to 4. So we can check whether our solution is correct. We are in the square root of x plus square root of x, it was equal to x. Let's start with when x is equal to 0. So you have square root of 0 plus square root of 0 is equal to 0. Square root of 0 is 0 plus 0, which is equal to 0. So one of the value of x is 0. What about when x is equal to 4, to 2, to 4, sorry, 4 plus square root of 4, square root of 4 is equal to 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of the other 4 is 2, which is equal to 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4, which is equal to 4. So clearly, the answer owns when x is equal to 4. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me on how to solve this simple equation which we are given here. For those who have not yet subscribed, kindly you can do so that you will be notified whenever there is a new release on this channel which we focus on mathematics. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.